Hey, ho, ho, ha, ha. All right, everybody. Now then, the battery for the old fat e-bike project has turned up today. Now, I ordered it on the 14th of February, and today is the 19th of January. No, it's not the 19th of January. I ordered it on the 14th of February, and today is the 19th of April. So, if I work out, it's about 64 days. About 64 days it took from ordering from AliExpress to get to me today. Now, it's turned up today. I was hoping to just chuck it on the bike, but nothing ever goes as simple as that, does it? So, what's the problems then? Well, first of all, I'll show you in a minute exactly what the problem is. You know where you put the water bottle supposed to go? The screws are down the bottom, whereas on batteries, the mounting points are at the top. So that causes a problem, doesn't it? So what you've got to do then is turn the battery around and have it facing down that way. Not too much of a problem, but when I try and mount the two holes, which are really far down, in, then I can't slide the battery on to the mount. So I've got to put it up a bit, and I'm going to use one hole. Now, one hole is not enough because it'll swing either way. I could maybe put some sticky pads there, but that still isn't enough. I need at least two mounting holes, right, to hold the battery on. So I've had to order rivnuts. I got M6s, but drilling an M6 in a frame is a bit big. So what I've done is I've ordered M5 rivnuts, which is what the holders are anyway. So I've ordered a bag of rivnuts, so I'll put another rivnut in. There is another hole up top here, so I could possibly put two rivnuts in and have 3 bolts holding it, and I'll be tickety-boo. But at the moment, if I go for a test ride, the battery could go everywhere, and the battery is quite heavy. I'll get the battery now, and it's on charge a minute because it was like on 20%, maybe less, I'm not quite sure. But so I got the battery, we're almost there. But I've ordered them next day delivery rivnuts from Amazon, and I thought I might as well update everybody because everybody's been waiting. I say everybody, a few people have been waiting. And I thought I'll make a quick video, and then I'll do a proper video when I put the rivnuts in and everything's all tightened up and good. So what am I going to do? I'm going to bring the camera in, and I'm going to show you where the actual holder is, and I'll show you the battery. So I'll go and get a screwdriver to take that off, and I'll bring the camera in, and I'll see you in about a couple of minutes. Right, okay, here's the battery. 52 volts, 21 amp hours. I don't know how true that is. It feels really heavy, mind. It feels nice and heavy and weighty. So that's a good sign, unless they filled it with rocks. Anyway, right, so if I show you now, right, if I put this on here, there, right, you can see that I haven't got much room left there, okay? So that goes on there, that's okay. But it'll move back and forth because it's not, you know, I've got a top bolt. So if I take that off like that, and I shall show you here, I'll take this screw to here, like this. There's only one screw actually holding it in at the moment. And if I take that out of there, and I show you, it comes with a little rubber doodah as well that sits on there like that. But if I put it down there, remember now, it was up there, okay? That's what it was. That's where it was situated, and I had a little bit of room. But I can't put it all the way down there, because if I put it all the way down there, there's not enough room to slide it in, if you know what I mean. So, and another thing I had to do was, if I can just lay that there a second, stay there. It doesn't want to stay there, does it? I had to, let me just show you this here. This was what came on the battery originally. This was coming out of there, like that. But the connector on the Bafang motor was this, and it came with this wire as well. So what I did was I took the screws out of here, took this heat sink out, and the connectors are in. The connectors there, like it's the connectors there. Don't know if you can see there. And I unsoldered this from here, and I soldered that wire onto there. So that's okay. And I don't mind the battery being this way up either. That's fine. So I got the battery, but I need to put this up there like that. No, that's not right, is it? Like, yeah, there, like that, right? Okay. So I need to put another rivet up here, but there, and there is a hole there, so I might put one up there as well. So the frame is like Swiss cheese then. So I'll have another rivet there somewhere, there, and one up there. And I've had to order. I might not be able to get a rivet up here because getting a drill in is a bit funny as well. I've ordered a 90-degree adapter to try and drill holes in here, because getting a drill in straight with this in the way is a pain in the bum. So hopefully that works, and that's turning up tomorrow as well. So I was hoping to go for a test run, but there we are. Anyway, right, okay then, so that's my little update on what's happening with this bike here. I've got all the bits I need except for the rivets, so I can put the battery on securely. There is another problem with this bike, which I'm going to have to talk to the seller about, but I'm not holding my breath because I think they're going to ignore me. I've emailed them. When I made this, when I made the original video on this bike, looking around it, the paintwork had some funny, dubious like funny paints on it, and after 2 months of having the bike just sitting in the dry shed I got, there's loads of rust appearing and the paint's falling off. So I bought a really dodgy frame, haven't I? So if I do test this bike and everything falls apart, then you can all have a good laugh, can't you? Because I'll be filming it. Anyway, so yeah, oh, and the forks are a bit leaky as well. So, you know, quality stuff, isn't it? But anyway, I don't know what I can do with eBay now, because it says it's gone past the return window. So I'll talk to the seller, see if he wants to give me a bit of a refund or send me another frame. I don't know what he's going to do. We'll wait and see, but I'll update you, and I'll do a video on the rust as well, I think, because it's terrible. It's absolutely awful, and I want to show this rust to other people who are thinking of buying this. Pedalees, that's what it is, name on this bike here. You can find them on eBay. Anyway, I'm waffling on now. I got the battery, I'm going to put it back on charge, wait for the rivets, then I'll make a video of me test riding this and seeing what it's like. Anyway, little update, hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Ho-hoi!